Previously, Caesar has brought the unthinkable to sublimation with Easy Subli, a transfer and ink setup for Sawgrass printers applicable to fabrics beyond polyester. But what if you lack the access to a sublimation printer? Fortunately, Caesar now has you covered with a direct-to-vinyl transfer designed to work with virtually any inkjet printer. Introducing Caesar Easy Color. This is an opaque matte finish print and cut material with a soft texture and thin profile close to EasyWee. It can hold full color graphics as vibrant and clear as Easy Subli and applies well to both light and dark fabrics. In terms of Easy Color being compatible with any inkjet printer, it's ready for both home and office use printers. As long as the printer can print on 8.5 by 11 inch plain paper, you can expect Easy Color prints to look consistently colorful, and even beyond if yours is capable of high quality printing. To cleanly bring your graphics over without any background, you'll have the option to contour cut around the edges with your preferred vinyl cutter. Then lift out the cut graphic itself with a medium tacked mask, such as Caesar's trusty Easy Mask. Similar to Easy Subli, Caesar Easy Color is applicable to many standard fabrics, including cotton and polyester. This makes it ideal for apparel like cotton t-shirts and hats, alongside items beyond clothing like tote bags, soft decor, flags, and more. By serving as a general alternative to Easy Subli, this material is perfect for both beginners and experts alike. It's a great first dive into heat transfers for the former and a solid full color transfer for the latter. All it takes is having an inkjet printer around and printing the graphics you need through Caesar's most versatile transfer to date. You can learn more about Caesar Easy Color and other materials and tools on our YouTube channel or visiting heatpressnation.com.